We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 181 square meters, floor area of 244 square meters. It is fully furnished, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, powder room, 2 carport, and staff room. Priced at 19.5 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. So let's talk about the location first because this area is perfect because it's near everything. Hospitals, schools, establishments, very good location. The facade of the house, very clean. Ang design natin, mixture ng black and white. We have this black wall right here. That to me is very elegant. We have your pedestrian gate, 2-car carport over here. So let's enter through the pedestrian gate. From the street level, we step up to your front porch. Ang ganda kasi may porch area kayo dito. You have this minimalist plants dito sa gilid with pebbles na detail. And this is going to your service area. Now to our left, we have the 2-car carport right here. Very tall, even big cars can fit here. You have your windows over here. Meron tayong outlets and faucet dun sa side. Now, let's enter through this double sliding door. Let's go in. As we enter, the elegance continues inside because you will be greeted by your living area over here na very nice kasi everything you see in this house is already included. Ibig sabihin, damit na lang kailangan nyo to move in, okay? Now, we have this beautiful setup right here. Couch, you have accent chairs on the side. Very beautiful. Center table. And I like this olive tree na faux olive tree dito sa gilid. Parang ano siya, California ang dating niya, di ba? Then you have this accent wall, a very large television. You have your console. Simple yet elegant tile choice over here. Then we have this laser cut steel na divider dito sa that divides the living with the dining and kitchen. So, let's come here. Ang ganda ng dining natin. 8-seater dining table. Elegant lights fixture. We have this console behind here. Sheer curtains, large windows. Sobrang natural light, di ba? Tas ang ganda kasi carpeted yung ating dining area. Another faux olive tree dito. There's something about this tree na parang sobrang elegant niya. Social. Parang ganon. Okay? Right here is your kitchen. Ang maganda rito, yung ating center island, nandito yung ating range. Tapos meron tayong pot filler. So kung may luto ka, gusto kailangan mo ng water, diretso na dito. You have a range hood, very wide countertop, tons of storage underneath, soft closing, 2-door refrigerator, more storage over here, your microwave, and your oven. Tapos yung sink natin is the modern type. Ito naman ay knob type siya. Yung iba push button na, but this one is knob type. Tapos ito, I like the way that it opens like so. 'Di ba? Kasi space saver pag pataas ang open niya. Task lights over here. Very nice. Okay? Now, this area behind is your laundry area. So you have your washer over here. Yung ating breakers are here. Plus, you have the powder room. Just below, nakita natin the stairs. We have our sink and our toilet. Very presentable for your guest. Diba? Ang ganda. And also accessible. Now, this door leads out to your daily kitchen. So you have your countertop right here. Tapos talagang consistent yung theme natin ng gray, black, and white, no? So you have this countertop, cupboards up here, sink, and more storage underneath. Plus, you can also put another washer here because meron tayong water and electricity dito. Then, it's protected with the screen door para at least may ventilation pero the insects will be freely flying outside. Okay, this door is your staff room. May I just open this up? You have your staff room right here. They have their own toilet and bath right here. Okay, very convenient. Tapos may sila exhaust. So, very convenient for them. Tapos dito, yung action nangyayari every single day. Now, let's take one more look sa ating beautiful kitchen. Ganda luto-luto ka dito. Your dining. And of course, our living area right here. By the way, our air conditioning is installed. It's branded Samsung. Really nice. From the living area, we step up. Parang meron ka ditong mid-landing. You have a window right here that overlooks the two-car carport. And we have a bedroom, the first bedroom. Ang ganda rin ng setup, guys. It looks like a hotel room. Diba? You have your bed over here, side tables, you have lampshades, diba? Artwork, tapos may cove lighting tayo dito. And console. Plus, nag-transition from gray tiles, naging wooden design yung tiles natin. Now, the sliding door leads to our closet space and our toilet that has your toilet, enclosed shower. Ito, iba naman yung atake niya pag ganun, no? Plus, our sink with your medicine cabinet. You have outlets for your shavers or blowers. Very nice. Ito, pwede to sa actually, for those of you looking for a house that has a room downstairs, ito few steps lang up po, tas ito na yung bedroom. Pwede sa mga elderly natin. Then, our stairs, wooden steps. We have this solid metal handrail. Upon landing, meron tayong console dito that has more artwork and may lampshade tayo dyan. Now, let's go to this area. Dito guys, may space pa. If you wish to have a seating area or a family area, pwede pa. It's very spacious dito. You have a very nice artwork also here. Ito ang ganda ng combination kasi may blue tint siya. Then this door is the shared bathroom. Come here. You have your toilet, similar enclosed shower. Then you have a sink over here with medicine cabinet and all. Ganda. Plus this door is the first bedroom on the second floor. Very beautifully done. You have this elegant bed right here. I like the way that the headboard has shelves. Diba? Ang ganda. Outlets on both sides. You have a vanity over here with your mirror. And of course, your bench seat. Built-in cabinetry. And behind the camera, let us show them. You have somewhat like a bench here that has storage underneath. Tapos pwede kang mag-relax dito overlooking the green space outside. Ganda. Okay? Television. Ang laki din. The next door is another bedroom. This one, similar to, but ito may balcony. So you have your bed right here, air conditioning, built-in cabinetry, vanity with your mirror and bench seat, windows all around, plus it has its own balcony because this one is facing the front of the house. Very wide. Tapos, this extends to the master. So, mamaya ma-access din natin yung sa master doon. Okay? Now, the exciting part is the master bedroom. So, from the stairs, we turn right. Dito pa lang sa entrance, ang ganda na. Pagpasok natin, we have this hallway. I-skip muna natin yung ating master bathroom because we have this very nice king-size bed with a tall headboard na may parang solihiya detail plus upholstery dito. Ang ganda. Okay? We have side tables on both sides, lampshade. Ako namimiss ko yung lampshades kasi parang nagbabalik na naman sa trend ng mga lampshade ngayon. Artwork right here. Tapos we have this sitting area. We have the TV, a very nice relaxation couch, a console over here. Tapos ito naman yung ating balcony space, the one na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, facing the front of the house. Okay? Tapos guys, so pagka-open ng sliding door, sobrang presko. Makikita nyo yung kortina natin. Tapos maganda dito, may screen door tayo if you want to keep it open pag mga malalamig na panahon. Okay? Now let's head on to the master bathroom. Guys, pagpasok, we have this cabinet space to the right. Full-size body mirror that doubles as the door. Ang ganda. Shelves dyan, drawers. We have this sink right here. A lighted. Ito lighted siya. Hindi pa lang siguro nakasaksak. Lighted medicine cabinet. You have your toilet and your enclosed shower, which has a very interesting design also na parang fish scale yung ating tiling. Napakaganda with, of course, a ventilation window right there. So now, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 181 square meters, floor area of 244 square meters, is fully furnished, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, powder room, 2 carport, and staff room. Priced at 19.5 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.